Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Mansal. Today I will talk about study in USA. I will talk about their admissions, their accommodations, their eligibility. Even I will talk about why study in USA. It's a lot of confusion. Being a diverse country, the United States is the safest place for the students, especially from India. And there is no need for any fear of racism. So, in that sense, the US is a safest country for Indian students. If you have decided to study in the US, your choice of destination country needs no validation as the US is considered the best study abroad destination, not to justify your choice but to further strengthen your decision. We at Manzil have compiled a few reasons why considering the US as your study abroad destination is a wise decision. Although the reasons to consider a country may differ widely among students, there are a few standout features which make every place different than others. Here are a few of the reasons why going to the US to study might be a really good decision. Programs to fit your needs. If I talk about programs to fit your needs, the US offers a very diverse range of higher education options compared to any other country in the world. With such wide options for learning opportunities, no matter what your ability or ambitions are, there will be some perfect courses for you. Many of the universities customize a few of their courses for international students as well. If I talk about flexibility, in America, in USA, it is very common to change university after 2 years of studying and during undergraduate courses within the same faculty. Most institutions accept credits from other universities to the same course. So you are not required to complete all 4 years for study in the same college to finish your degree. This flexibility gives you the opportunity to transfer your credits to a higher ranked institution. If I talk about, it will be given if you have good enough grades. You can extend your reach and network. This applies not just to the US but to any study abroad destination country. Networking. Networking is an important part of every career, and finding the right connection leads them to further heights in their career. Those those who have international living or work experience and are multilingual will have a huge advantage over other people in the job market. At American universities, the chances of you coming across well known names in the industry are very high. That will be crucial once you have hands on field experience. If I talk about its diversity and variety, you can study at a large public university or college if you prefer a small community. You may choose a small private university. People in the US also vary among each other a lot. Along with American citizens, you will come across diverse cultures like Mexicans, like Asians, along with Indians. There is a strong Indian community in the US. Essentially, the USA is a multiracial society that is still absorbing new immigrants. which makes it a continuous melting pot of communities and cultures. An experience which will enrich your understanding of the world. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy.